In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Amazon Prime. We'll walk through the website method, which is the most common, and I'll point out what to expect along the way so you don't get stuck on any of the screens. Start by opening your web browser and going to Amazon's homepage. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for the Account and Lists menu. Hover your mouse over it to open the drop-down, then click on your Prime membership. This takes you to your Prime dashboard, where you can see your current plan and billing date. On this page, look for Manage Membership or sometimes Update, Cancel, and more. The exact wording can vary slightly, but both options lead to the cancellation controls. Click that, then select End Membership. Amazon typically shows a few prompts here designed to keep you on the plan, such as reminders of benefits or offers to switch billing frequency. That's normal. Just continue choosing the options that proceed with cancellation, like Continue to Cancel, until you reach the final confirmation screen. When you're asked to confirm, choose End on Expiration Date. This option keeps your Prime benefits active until your next billing date, but it stops any future charges. It's a good choice if you've already paid for the current period and want to use the remaining time. Once you confirm, you should see a message indicating your membership will end on that date. Keep an eye out for a confirmation notice on the page. It's your signal that the process is complete. A few important things to know. You can cancel Prime anytime. Refunds may be full or partial depending on whether you've used benefits during the current billing cycle. Benefits include things like Prime shipping, streaming, or other Prime-only features. If you haven't used any of them since you were last charged, you're more likely to receive a refund, but the exact outcome depends on Amazon's policies at the time you cancel. If you're on a free trial, make sure to cancel before the trial ends to avoid being charged. Even after you cancel the trial, you can still use Prime until the trial expiration date. And remember, choosing End on Expiration Date means your membership remains active until your next billing date, and you won't be charged again after that. That's it. Follow these steps on the website, confirm at each prompt, and you'll have your Prime cancellation squared away with confidence.